In the second part of the Vance Joy song, Riptide, your rhythm changes. The chord progression stays the same with the A minor, G, and C. But you add this chop in there, and it just overall changes. What you have is obviously that's at a faster tempo. Let's break it down a little bit. You have a down, and then you're going down again, but you're chopping. Chopping, what is that? That means where you're raking the strings quickly while the palm of your hand hits the strings. So that's the sound that happens. If we were to slow that down, it's kind of like you're either just hitting that, so, but you want to do that at the same time you're running through the strings. Now the way that I think about this, or directionally, is that I'm going this way into the guitar. So if you look at it, I'm going like that, or from this angle, I'm going like this. So that's how my hand is hitting the guitar. And then the ends up muted. So when you put that after the first strum, you get that sound, or with that chord, or A chord. And then you want to keep this pick down here ready to strum up. So down, chop, down, up. So for the chop, you don't have to get all 6 strings. You just have to get some, because it's creating a percussion sound. So and a stop to the noise. So it's probably more important that you just stop the sound than make the. But it sounds like it's like 100% cooler when you actually have that chop in there. That's why, particularly, the acoustic guitar has more of a percussive element than the electric guitar, although both are used to create rhythm in the same way a drum would. 1, 2, 3, 4.